If you want to highlight those little small details, or maybe try to bring out the beauty in a natural scene, or maybe try to add some drama to your next video project, then maybe you might want to use some slow-mo or slow motion footage in your next video. But how do you get great slow motion video with an action camera like the DJI 6? Well, stick around, because in this video, I'm about to show you how. All right, so you want to do slow motion with your Osmo Action 6, but how do you do that? Well, that's pretty simple. First of all, on the rear screen, you want to take a look here at the rear. In the bottom left-hand corner, you'll see a little icon like a video camera. If I tap on here, it's going to bring up your menu. Oops, it's going to bring up a menu of different filming options. And we want to slide over until we get the option where it says slow motion. So if you have a look there real carefully, it's kind of quick. There's like a camera there with SLO on. Now, once you've done that, that means that you are in the slow motion setting. If you want to change the aspect ratio, piece of cake. Down here on the bottom, you want to tap where it has the resolution and the frame rate. Tap on him, and then it's going to bring up your options for filming in slow-mo. Now, if you're filming in 4K, the slowest you can get with this camera is 120 frames per second, which is pretty good. If you move it over to 2.4K, once again, it's 120. But if you have your resolution at 1080p, which is full HD, you have options of slowing it down 4 times, which means 120 frames per second, or an incredible 8 times, which is 240 frames per second. Now, you do lose out in the quality by dropping down to full HD with 1080p, but that's still definitely an option. So we're down here at the beach right now. We're going to start off by showing you how it looks when you film at 4 times slower than regular speed. So regular speed in this case is taken to be 30 frames per second. So 120 frames per second is 4 times slower than regular speed. Alright, so this time we've actually changed the settings to 8 times slower than regular speed. So that's an incredible 240 frames per second. So all these extra frames per second mean that you can actually slow down your footage and still maintain a pretty decent quality in what you are filming. Alright, so this time we're changing the resolution up to 2.7K. 2.7K at 4 times slower than regular speed. This is the 120 frames per second. And also the resolution is higher, which means the quality of the footage is gonna look better than before. So let's check it out right now. hope you're enjoying this video on slow motion on the DJI Osmo Action 6. And if you are, I would super appreciate it if you could hit the like and the subscribe buttons. It only takes a second. It's kind of painless and it won't cost you a penny. And by doing so, it helps promote my little video to other people who might want to learn how to do slow-mo and other cool things on their Osmo Action cameras. Okay, thanks for listening. I appreciate your support. Let's get back to today's video. All right, so 2.7K is pretty good, does a really good job, but there is 4K as one of the options for slow-mo on the Osmo Action 6. So we're gonna film the next section from the same location at 4K at 120 frames per second. If you want even slower footage, you can use the Osmo Action 6's Super Slow-Mo feature. You need to film in an aspect ratio of 16:9 with a frame rate of 100 frames per second or higher. This time you have to be in normal video mode, not slow-mo mode, and you have to record a clip that is at least 3 seconds long. Once you finish recording, press the stop button and then press the playback button to check out the footage that you have just recorded. On the screen, you'll see a snail icon. If you tap on that snail icon, it'll take you to a new screen where it will generate a super slow motion video clip. This video clip it is creating is going to be 4 times slower than the frame rate that you filmed your video at. Tap on the white preview button to see a quick preview of the clip that you have just created. Eventually, this white banner will appear at the top of the screen, telling you it is exiting the preview. When you press playback this time, you'll notice this blue bar that tells us when we tapped on the snail earlier. If we play the clip back from the start, it will play at normal speed until it reaches that point when we tapped on the snail, and then it will play the slow-mo clip that was generated a little bit earlier. At a frame rate of 120 frames per second, it will generate a clip of around about 17 seconds. After that time has elapsed, the video will go back to playing at normal speed.
Also, in the slow-mo mode here, you can turn on voice commands by swiping down, tapping on this guy here, and using the slider to turn on voice control. Start recording. You can also turn on gesture control as well. Here where the hand is, and we can turn on gesture control.
Slow motion is a feature that can really enhance your videos. It can add a different sort of element and it can elevate it above the pack. How do you use slow motion in your video projects using your action camera? Let me know in the comments section down below. I would love to hear from you. In the meantime, if you want to learn more about action cameras, but especially the DJI Osmo Action 6, that's this little camera here, you want to hit this video over here now. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.